Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into UKG Dimensions employee time tracking login step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for UKG Dimensions. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your company email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login credentials, check the Remember Me box. After entering your information, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your employee dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email address. Once your password is reset, repeat the login process with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. You may also want to ensure that your browser is updated. If problems persist, contact your HR department for assistance. You are now successfully logged into UKG Dimensions for employee time tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.